We're making our first film.
I don't
Ooh,
think
now
that's,
go slow here.
I think we're
I wanna-
filming. I don't think we're making our first.
Wow. And just hesitate a little bit as you make the first right.
Do you want me to go down to your spot now?
I don't think it's probably a good idea today. Although I'm definitely gonna make a little film about the spot.
Hesitate, stop?
No, you keep going. We're reading about Mark.
No. No, I'm reading about the gardening. I'm reading the gardening column.
Oh.
Robert Dash.
Oh, I love that column. You want to take a little picture of me?
Sure, what do I do?
Hold on to it a little bit, because you have a tendency to drop it. Hi there.
Well, that's better. Better light.
Yeah, but that's going to be sideways on the film, though.
I know, but it's better because it gets more of you in, and the light was better. I can't get that light that I had with you like that. Put it up. You sure you want to do it sideways?
Well, that's the way you have to do it because the.
Oh.
Oh boy, that's going to be a good film.
Plenty of people make films like that.
Yeah, really?
Can I see myself in the... Nope, I can't. I'll put Mark in the picture. Hi!